My name is Lee Judd, and today I'm going to take you through my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to use the Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. Lather it up first before putting it on your skin. It takes off everything, even my heavy eye makeup, but it doesn't dry out my skin. Next, I move on to my Resurfacing liquid peel. It doesn't replace your daily peel, and I use these in the morning because they are so quick to use. So, very important that you use a cotton ball because that will actually put the product onto your skin. So you want to do 2 turns, 3 seconds each. 1, 2, 3. Move the cotton ball over. 1, 2, 3. And then massage that into your skin. So after step number 1, you want to leave the product on your skin for 2 minutes. It makes a massive difference for radiance, it perfects pores, wrinkles. It's kind of this like liquid gold. So then we move on to step number 2. So this will help neutralize the product, and it has all those fabulous anti-aging ingredients. Crepey, dull skin be gone, fabulous radiant skin come back. And now onto my serums. This is Ferulic and Retinol. It will help resurface, and it's made with niacinamide, which is a kind of a buzzy ingredient at the moment. Ooh, this is beautiful. Do you see that glow? And now onto my eye gel. And dab on. Love this stuff. This is C and Collagen. This will add deep moisture to my skin. It's like a glass of water straight to the skin. Lovely, dewy, glowy. You can see me for the moon. And that is my nighttime skincare routine.